Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys, or taking you guys along on my wash my hair process. I guess that wasn't a very good description. And also show you guys the products that I use and how I get these results. Right now, I'm like really happy with my hair. I'm really happy with the products that I'm using. Even though I was using something different, I think like a little less than a month ago, my routine has completely changed because the humidity and everything around me has called for it to change. Curly hair is very difficult. Some things work one day, might not work the next day. But let's go ahead and jump right into it so you guys can see how I wash my hair and what products I am currently using. Alright guys, so I am here. My hair is wet. I haven't put anything on it. I have just wet it. And let me take my earrings off. But so for today, the shampoo that I'm going to be using is, and all of these products are what I'm currently using in my curly hair routine. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo by SheaMoisture. And that's just what it looks like. And I'm so sorry for my nails. I need to do them. I just haven't had the time. But I'm just going to go ahead. Let me remove. I should have removed all my jewelry before I started. But so I'm going to go ahead and take, that's what it looks like. It's kind of runny, it's thick, hydrating. And I'm just going to go ahead and basically massage this into my scalp. Like that. And this shampoo, I guess, it's not as fizzy as other shampoos. Then again, most SheaMoisture ones aren't as fizzy. And then I'm just gonna take some more and do the underneath part of my scalp. And basically do the same thing, just massage it. And then I'm just gonna take whatever's left and run it through my hair. I'm basically trying to wash mostly my scalp just to, you know, like prevent buildup and get everything that has built up there out. And then let me just go ahead and rinse this off, and then I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and rinsed out all the shampoo from my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and deep condition for 3 minutes. And also detangle. What I am going to be using is the DevaCurl Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. Looks like that. And also my wide tooth comb that I recommend that you detangle with, or you can use your hands. Doesn't matter. Whoops. And I'm basically just going to go ahead and section my hair into 2 parts. It's still tangly, so without ripping it, if I can. I'm trying not to get my shirt wet, which is not being very successful right now. But, okay, my hair is split, and then I'm just going to go ahead and work this on to all of my hair. I use a lot of deep conditioning. Deep conditioner, whatever. Just work that all into my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and start detangling from the bottom like that. Try not to yank your hair, even though it might look like I'm doing it, but want to prevent fallout. That's why we start from the bottom instead of just yanking from the top. Luckily, my hair hasn't been as tangly since I've been using these products, because usually it's like a big mess ball by the time it's like wash day, because I've put it up in a bun so many times. But my hair's been doing good. It's been in a bun for like 3 days, 2 days, maybe 2 days, 3 days. I don't know. It's been in a bun and it's been okay. And there, so we are completely detangled here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the other side. And then I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, give or take. And then I'm going to rinse this out and move on to the next thing. And I do, if you can see right here, I do and don't get a lot of fallout. I've tried different shampoos and conditioners to prevent fallout and blah, blah, blah. But the thing that I find that helps the most is my vitamins. When I take my biotin and collagen vitamins, I do see a lot less fallout than when I don't, because I get a lot of fallout. Like I have chunks of hair falling out, and then I have a bunch of baby hair. My hair just falls out all the time, everywhere. So I get a lot of fallout, but when I take my vitamins every single day, I do see a big difference. So I would recommend that you find some kind of biotin pill or supplement to take. Of course, if you're allowed to, if you have spoken with your doctor and they say it's okay, I would recommend taking some type of biotin because it does help me, at least with my fallout, and I do notice a difference when I take it versus when I don't take it. So I will be right back. Okay, so while this mask is sitting in my hair, I did want to take a moment and let you guys know that I have been alternating between 2 masks. So of course this one by DevaCurl, and I've also been using the SheaMoisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry and damaged hair. That's what it looks like. And the reason that I use both of these masks is because I feel like this one adds a lot of moisture to my hair, and this one makes my hair really smooth and soft and easy to, I guess, like manage. So I alternate between both of these. I'll use, like, so the last time I washed my hair, I used this one, and then the next time I'm washing my hair, I'm using this one. So I have been deep conditioning my hair every time I wash my hair, or every hair cycle, because my hair in the summertime is out of control right now. Because like one day it's humid where I'm living, and then one day it's not humid. One day it's 90 degrees outside, the next day it's 70 for the entire week. So who knows? My hair is obviously not living for it. So that's what has been working for me right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this mask off because it's been about 3 minutes, and then we will continue. All right, so I think I washed also the foundation off of my forehead, so I gotta redo that later. But I did go ahead and rinse out the deep conditioner, so now I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and I am gonna go ahead and finish my hair washing process with the SheaMoisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Conditioner, and that's just what it looks like. And I do kind of use like 3 pumps on each side. So, and I'm just gonna work this basically on the bottom half of my hair. Not really, I mean, I do kind of like smooth it over, but mostly on the bottom half, and just kind of like detangle with my fingers since I already detangled, and then kind of just scrunch. Just like that. Go ahead and do the other side, same thing, 3 pumps. Woo. Run that through the bottom half of my hair, and then just kind of run my fingers, make sure it's getting distributed properly, and then scrunch. Scrunching is important, helps define your curls. Okay, and then, sorry guys, I'm trying to like keep my makeup on my face as I wash my hair. But all right, so the next thing is I'm not going to rinse the conditioner out of my hair. I'm pretty sure I say this all the time. I leave the conditioner in my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the styling process. If my hair was like dripping, like out of control, I would take a 100% cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel and kind of like scrunch it into place. It's all right now, and I got most of the I got most of it out when I was like scrunching. So then the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and take a like leave-in conditioner. The one that I'm using right now is the SheaMoisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration leave-in treatment. And I'm basically just going to flip my hair over. Hopefully I'm getting this in the camera. And then just start like spraying everywhere. You can spray as much as you want. This stuff is very lightweight. You guys can hear me. Spray my ends, spray it everywhere. Then I'm going to scrunch again, like that. There's a lot of scrunching in this process, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I get the top part of my hair. There we go. And then next, I'm going to take an oil, and the oil that I am currently using and that has been working for me is the again with the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration finishing oil serum by SheaMoisture. Same line, if you can see the pattern. That's what it looks like. So this one I am going to actually spray on my scalp right here, right there, right there. Get some in the back. And I'm going to massage that into my scalp. That was very attractive, right? Good thing I'm already married. Then I'm going to spray some in my hands. Oh, I thought I was spraying the other stuff. It's a lot of pumps, but basically some of my hands are coated. And then I'm going to flip my hair over and kind of just run it through my hair, because we're sealing in that moisture. And then, of course, again, we're going to scrunch. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but my hair is kind of making this squishy noise, which is a very good sign. It means my hair is very hydrated, very moisturized. And the key to define curls is scrunching. You can't just whip the product in your hair, you gotta scrunch. Then the last step is I'm going to apply a gel. And of course, just like everything else, except for my deep conditioner, I'm going to use the SheaMoisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration styling gel. And if you couldn't tell, I absolutely love this line. So I am going to take quite a bit of product, and this gel is like, has a lot of hold, so like that amount. And I also have long hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna basically like slather this on my hair, kind of like that. I don't know if that's what it's called, but all over my hair, kind of just get it like to coat my hair, I guess, kind of. And then again, I'm going to flip my hair over and we're gonna scrunch. It's important to scrunch that gel. We want defined curls. And then that's it actually. I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry. I don't use a diffuser or anything like that. I never really have. I've never blown dried my hair, even when I wasn't taking as much care of my hair. I never really blow dried my hair or anything like that. So I don't use a diffuser. I just simply let it air dry. If I was gonna go to bed, I would put it up basically in like a towel or a 100% cotton t-shirt. I would wrap it and just go to bed and then let it down the next day, and my hair would be fine. But today, since I am washing my hair earlier in the day, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it air dry, and then I will be back once my hair is fully dry to show you guys the results. I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm in the bathroom at work and I just wanted to come on really quick to show you guys something. So my hair is air drying, like I said I would let it, and as you could see, it like looks stiff and stuff as it's drying, and that's because of the cast of the gel. And I'm sorry if I'm whispering, I'm just scared someone's gonna walk in and see me. But the cast of the gel, but my curls are defined. What I basically do is as it starts drying, I scrunch out the curl, or scrunch it out, so that it like loses that hardness to it. So I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I do that once, because it does create, that gel is really strong, the SheaMoisture one, so it does create a cast. So I will be back later once I see that my hair has completely dried. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I am back. My hair is fully dried. It has been about 6 hours, give or take. And like I said, my hair is fully dried. And that's just so you guys can take a look at it. My curls are very defined. I love my hair. I love when it looks like this. Makes me happy. I have like minimal frizz, even though like I have been out. I have not been in all day. I have been out and about in my car in that heat, and my hair is perfectly defined. The, what's it called? The cast that I showed you guys earlier that was all hard, I have scrunched out. My hair is, my curls are soft and defined and bouncy, you know. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos about my curly hair, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you guys use for your curly hair. Let me know if you have any recommendations. Don't forget to like this video or give it a thumbs up. And of course, comment if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.